Alright, kindergarten, we are going to be creating this really cool fall leaf little project. We are going to be using our cool little watercolor sticks, and we'll be using a black oil pastel. You have at your seat this little page right here displayed. These are simple little steps on how to draw leaves. So you actually get to choose whichever ones you want. I would like for you to draw 4 of them and pick your favorite 2. So the very first thing you're going to do is you're going to have a piece of paper that looks like this, and you're just going to simply fold it in half. And if you need help doing that, you can just ask me and I will come help you fold it in half. I want you to pick 4 of those leaves, and you want them kind of big. We want to make really big leaves. You're going to do 4 of them, and you're going to pick your favorite 2. And that's the ones you're going to color. All right, when you do, all of them are going to start out with a curved line. So what you're going to do is you're going to go almost from the corner of your paper to the bottom of your paper, and you're going to do a curved line. All of them should be about this big, right here. This is how long we want our leaf. Now, just like when we did those pumpkins, we can do a very simple leaf where you just do a curve and a curve. This is a really good one right here. And then you're just going to add some diagonal lines. You want them all going the same way, and you can just add some diagonal lines going this way or that way. It doesn't matter. And here's another really good one right here. I don't know if you can see that. I might need to go ahead. I'm using pencil, but I might need to use Sharpie so that you can see. Let me go over that in Sharpie. I'm going to go ahead and draw this other one in Sharpie, although you are using a pencil. All right, here's another really good one. You can do a curved line. Again, you want to make sure that this curve almost goes from corner to corner. And you're simply going to do, everybody know how to make a heart? You're going to draw a heart. And that's a really cool leaf too. And again, you're just going to put some diagonal lines, just like that. Perfect. And you're going to do 2 more of these leaves, and you're going to pick your favorite 2. All right. So let me show you another. Let me show you another one, just so you can have some ideas. This is a really good one too. You can do a curved line. You can do some like these. And you're just going to bubble. You're just going to go around it like a bubble. You're just going to start at the bottom, and you're just going to go around it just like a bubble. And that's a really good one too. I like that leaf. And you could even do again, I'm starting out with that really big curve. You could even do, maybe you want a leaf up here. You want a stem. You want a leaf here. You want a stem. And maybe you want just curved lines here. You could do that too. It's up to you. You can do whichever ones you want. All right, so I'm going to go back to my 2. I think I like these 2. These are my favorite. And what you're going to do you remember those really cool color sticks we used? Now, I only pulled out fall colors for leaves. And remember, we talked about those. That's going to be orange, yellow, purple, green, red. I don't have brown. But I left out the blue. We normally don't have blue leaves, so I left out the blue. So you're going to pick whichever colors you want, and you're going to color your leaf. Remember, you have to kind of press a little bit to get to make it juicy, and you are going to go around your leaf. Now, you don't have to make sure it's in the lines. You can actually do, if you notice, Miss Rucker I call that bubble painted. I just kind of did a little blob, a little bubble blob around my leaf. You can do that. And then you're going to pick another color. Maybe I really like green leaves. So maybe I want this one green. And you notice I'm not going like that. I'm just doing like this. I'm pressing. I'm making sure I'm getting all of that juice. I'm pressing as I do this. I'm filling in all that white. Perfect. And when you're done, now you're going over your pencil lines. When you're done, you're going to take your black oil pastel. Just like we did on the scarecrow, we're going to go over all our pencil lines. We want to cover up our pencil lines. Remember we said this was like the coat. Our little pencil lines are cold. They need a jacket. We're going to go over all our pencil lines with this black oil pastel. And that's really just going to make it pop out. It's going to look so pretty. So when you're done, you should have something that looks about like this. Happy fall!